Hello, come in. Welcome.
Thanks. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
How are you?
I'm great.
How about you?
I'm doing well.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while. Please take off your shoes.
Sure.
Make yourself at home.
Thank you. Your house is beautiful.
Thanks a lot.
I like your living room.
I'm glad you like it. Have a seat.
Okay.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like some tea?
Tea sounds nice.
I'll make some.
Can I help?
No, thanks. Just relax.
What have you been doing lately?
I've been busy with work.
Really?
Yes. How about you?
I've been studying English.
That's great.
You're improving.
Thank you.
I practice every day.
That's the key.
What did you do today?
I cleaned the house.
It looks very clean.
Thanks. Are you hungry?
A little.
I have some snacks.
Sounds good.
Let's eat together.
Great idea.
These cookies are delicious.
I'm happy you like them.
Did you make them?
No, I bought them.
They taste great.
Thanks.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Sure.
What kind of movie?
A comedy.
I love comedies.
Me too.
Let's watch it.
Okay.
That was funny.
I laughed a lot.
Me too. Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Which game?
A card game.
Sounds fun. Let's start.
You won.
Lucky me.
Good game.
Thanks.
It's getting late.
Yes, it is.
I should go home.
Thanks for coming.
I had a great time.
Me too.
Visit again soon.
I will.
Take care.
You too. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
See you again.